This tutorial you can learn how to make a moonlit night fantasy photo manipulation with soft light color effect. So let's start now. Firstly, open your Photoshop, then open your image. Select pen tool and selection your image. After full selected, then mouse right click and make selection. Now press Alt-Ctrl-R for refine edge. Select refine tool and select your outside area. In this refine edge dialog box, make sure to smooth one and output to new layer and click on checkbox remember settings. Now select move tool and hold mouse left click and move your image to another background. Now press Ctrl T for transform your image. Hold Alt Shift and drag from corner side for equally resize. Then press enter or return. Select your background layer and press Ctrl A for all selection, then press Ctrl T for resize as your desire. Click mouse right button and select flip horizontal. Press enter, Ctrl D for deselect. Now select your subject layer and go to filter, then camera raw filter. For need to some color correction. Now select your background layer and use color lookup. Select your any color lookup filter and must be opacity decreases low. Now use gradient and select your gradient fill. And from blending mode you have to select soft light. And must be needed to opacity decreases low. This time off your subject layer and select your top of the layer and hold press Alt-Ctrl-Shift-E for apply current image. Now take moon image and change from blending mode screen. For more realistic, create a mask. Selected on this mask and select brush tool and foreground color is black. And must be opacity and flow decreases low. Now use on moon. Now take some birds. And opacity must be decreases low. Now again select your top of the layer and hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Now selected this layer and go to filter, then Nik collection, then select Color FX Pro 4. Here select to cross processing filter, and select your desired filter for more fantasy color. Click on Add Filter for apply another more filters. Select to darken lighten center. Now select Mixer Brush tool. And hold press Alter and select your color for use any area. Now select Brush tool and hold press Alter and select your color area, and you can use on any area. Opacity and flow must be decreases low. This time you can save this image. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you must like our tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Thank you.